comes to installing flooring, don't cut it, shear it. The Magnum Series Shears from Marshalltown will shear flooring smooth and accurate with no electricity and no dust. The shear blade will easily outlast miter saw blades up to 20 times longer. The Magnum Series Shears are also portable, so you can easily move the tool where you need it. The Marshalltown 13-inch Magnum Shear will shear a variety of types of flooring, including laminates, engineered flooring, vinyl planks, linoleum, and more. The Marshalltown 9-inch Magnum Shear will also shear up to 1-inch thick hardwood flooring, like bamboo and oak. Each model has a fence for 90-degree and 45-degree cuts and includes a built-in ruler integrated into the base for shearing the flooring to exact lengths. To make 45-degree cuts, just lift the fence off and position it into the 45-degree alignment holes. Now the fence holds the piece firmly in place for a 45-degree cut. Plus, an LED light kit provides easy alignment for precise cuts. The Magnum Series Shears are built with strong, lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, a solid base, an adjustable heavy-duty lever with lock pin for easy portability, a built-in backstop to limit the handle stroke, metal jacketed ball bearing cams that provide an ultra-smooth shearing action, and a heavy-duty shear blade that can easily be honed. Honing a shear blade will keep it burr-free. Just run the supplied honing stone back and forth across the backside of the shear blade, and the shear is ready for action. The Magnum Series Shears come with a 5-year warranty and are made in the USA with global materials and are available in 9, 13, 20, and 26-inch models. Make all your flooring jobs quick and easy with a high-quality Magnum Series Shear exclusively from Marshalltown.